determining the effect of Alcofine and GGBS addition on the durability of cement concrete. By Balamuralikrishnan R. and Selvanan J. The durability of cement concrete is well defined as its ability to resist weathering action, chemical attack, or any other process of deterioration. Durable concrete will hold its original form, quality, and serviceability when exposed to the environment. The primary component of concrete is Portland cement. Large-scale cement production facilities use a lot of energy and generate a lot of unwanted products, CO2, which harm the environment and deplete natural resources. This threat to ecology has led researchers to use industrial byproducts as a supplementary cementitious material in making concrete. In view of this, silica fume, SF, ground granulated blast furnace slag, GGBS, rice husk ash, fly ash, FL, metkaolin, Alcofine, AL, microfine material, etc. are tried out for replacing cement partially or fully in concrete without compromising on its strength, also reduce greenhouse gases and sustainable way of management of waste. Alcofine is a specially processed product based on slag of glass content with high reactivity obtained through the process of granulation. A new ultrafine material that emerged in the market is called Alcofine. This is available as a cementitious material for replacing cement. Since this is a new material, a study is tried out with a combination of Alcofine and GGBS. Ordinary Portland cement 53 grade was used throughout the study and the grade of concrete is M20. Totally 108 cubes and 27 cylinders were cast and tested in the laboratory with 9 different percentage combinations of Alcofine, A, GGBS, G, and cement, C, C100C70A0 G30, C90A10 G0, C60A10 G30, C30A10 G30, C40A0 G60, C85A15 G0, C55A15 G30, C25A15 G60. The average loss of weight and loss of compressive strength is considerably low. As the attack proceeds, all the cement compounds are evenly broken and leached away, together with carbonate aggregate material. In each case, 3 numbers of specimens were used for repeatability. It is intended to study the compressive strength and its durability properties like acid attack test, sulfate attack test and rapid chloride permeability test, RCPT. Among the 9 different combinations, the maximum compressive strength of concrete is achieved by using AL 10% and GGBS 30% is 38.08 Newton per square millimeter. C60A10 G30 is 28.76% higher than the control mix. The result shows that concrete incorporating Alcofine and GGBS have higher compressive strength and Alcofine enhanced the durability of concrete also. It is recommended to utilize the AL material with cement after checking its other durability properties and flexural studies on beams. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.